future animators, to a world where your book reports become blockbuster hits. Hi, I'm Techie Teacher Tina, and I am thrilled to introduce to you Adobe Express's Animate with Audio. With this tool, we'll turn your storytelling skills into mini animated masterpieces. So get your popcorn ready. We're about to create book reports that steal the show. Adobe Express is free and available to all K-12 students and their teachers. This video will discuss the 3 parts for creating an animated book report. Part 1 will be about Adobe Express's Animate with Audio tool. Part 2 will cover the planning of the narration and the recording of the audio. And then in Part 3, we will be talking about the video editing. By the end of this video, your mind will be brimming with all these creative animating ideas. So let's get started.
Here we are at Adobe Express's landing page. On your right-hand side, we have some quick actions to begin. What we're doing today is animating with our voice. It's the option with the cool cat. Let's become familiar with the choices that we're going to need to make when we animate from audio. The first choice we're going to make is size. We have all the popular options, but since we are going for that cinematic experience, we want the YouTube landscape. Now, moving across this bar, we're going to select background, but since we want to make decisions after we record the video to change the scenes of our book report, we want to choose the transparent background, the one with the little white and gray squares. Now it's time for your character. When we position the character on that transparent background, we want to make sure that we get their whole body. So let's go ahead and resize if necessary. When we edit this video, we will be able to reposition and resize the character. But if we don't do it now, it won't happen afterwards. Whew! Pat yourself on the back. You've made some very important decisions. But let's recap. First, you've chosen the video size, and then you selected that transparent background so you can change it during your editing. And now you have found the perfect character.
Previously, you have completed a storyboard and you are rehearsing what to say in your book report. Of course, it is important if you need to get a script out to use Google Voice Typing in a Google Doc. When recording, talk animatedly. This program is Animate with Audio. If you talk monotone like this, your character's mouth will move, but that's all boring. By becoming excited and angry or soft and timid, your character's eyebrows, mouth, hands, arms will all move in sync with your voice. I know, you are excited to get started, but before you press record, give yourself a 3-try limit. If you mess up on that first try, go ahead, delete it. You can re-record. And on the second try, I bet you're going to be better and you'll get further. But you can also delete that one. But on your third try, if you mess up, just keep going. Here's a pro tip. When you make that major blooper, pause and then repeat your line. You can edit it out in post-production. Now, hit record and lay down your audio track. Finished? Perfect. Now Adobe will take your words and create an animation. Of course, they're going to entertain you with a little animation of their own while you wait. When your file is finished compiling, it is ready to open up in the editor. So press play and watch the magic. Now it is time to move your video into the award-winning territory through the editing process. So you may be wondering, How are you going to improve this video? Well, first we're going to take our storyboarding script and divide it into scenes, and then we will use the Adobe elements to create the backgrounds. And then last, we will put in an intro and an outro slide just for that nice finishing touch. Using your storyboarding template, begin the editing process. Watch your video and make splits at each scene where you need to edit out your bloopers. I'll give you a little secret on splitting the video. To split the video, stop the playhead, and with the mouse pointer hovering over the playhead, use a 2-finger click on your trackpad and select Split from the drop-down menu.
Once you have the scenes all divided, you are ready to drop in the appropriate backgrounds. So how to do this is you come over here to the left-hand side to where it says Elements. And you can go ahead and click that, and then you go into Backgrounds. Now I want some fall feeling to this because this Georgina is in school. This one looks perfect. Now I want to put Georgina herself, I'm going to move her over to the side a little bit. And then we talk about her living in her car. So I'm also going to come back over to Elements, and I'm going to go into Design Assets, and I'm going to ask for a car. Let's see, I need a car that it looks like a family. Oh, here we go. Put the car over, and I'm going to make it bigger so that Georgina looks like she can actually be in that car. All right, and then we'll bring Georgina over here. I think I need to make her just a little bit smaller as she starts, so it looks like she can fit in the car. Maybe right there. All right, so those are the two main edits that you can do. Once you have all the scenes divided and you dropped in all of your backgrounds and other elements, you are ready for the final editing step. Time to add the title slide and the outro for the end credits. To do this, you just add a scene, you grab it, and you bring it to the front of your movie. And then you add one more at the end, and now you're ready to go ahead and put in your title slide. To end, here we have our beginning slide and our ending slide. Now the last thing that you need to do is to share and invite people to view it. You can choose whether you want to use a link or download an MP4 file on your computer where you can upload it to YouTube or other digital platforms.
Congratulations, animators! You've transformed a regular book report into a spectacular animated adventure with Adobe Express's Animate from Audio. Now go and explore more ways to showcase your learning with Animate from Audio in other subjects. And I will enjoy the private screening of my students' Animate from Audio book reports. Pass the popcorn.
This is Techie Teacher Tina with a quick tutorial on Animate with Audio.